О победе нашего спортсмена Дмитрия Баландина написали и на сайте популярного спортивного телеканала Eurosport. Интернет-портал отмечает, казахстанский пловец сотворил настоящую сенсацию на Рио-2016. Ведь спортсмены, плывущие на крайней дорожке, редко побеждают. Она считается не очень удачной по расположению, так как спортсмена там может накрыть волна от удара о бортик, говорится на сайте.
The International Olympic Committee has delayed a decision on whether to ban Russia from next month's Rio Games over accusations of doping. The IOC said it will explore its legal options and wait for the outcome of a Court of Arbitration for Sport hearing involving Russia's track and field athletes, for which a decision is due on Thursday. The committee did take a series of interim measures. It said the Russian sports minister, Vitaly Mutko, will not be allowed to attend the Rio Games, along with other officials said to be involved in a state-run doping program. The IOC also said it will not organize or back any sports event in Russia, including the European Games scheduled for 2019. And it plans to retest all Russians who competed at the Sochi Olympics. The McLaren report published this week detailed widespread doping among Russian sportsmen and women that was covered up at the highest level. It laid out how athletes' urine samples were swapped with clean ones, particularly during the 2014 Sochi Games in Russia. Moscow denies such a doping scheme existed, but it has suspended several senior sports officials mentioned in the report.